Have you ever printed an Excel sheet and thought, what is this mess? Headers missing, customer's name disappearing, data split in the worst possible way. If you have ever wasted paper or time because of Excel printing, don't skip this video. By the end, your printouts will look clean, professional, and perfectly readable. Let's fix Excel printing properly step by step. Go to the Page Layout tab. From here, click on Print Titles. This is the most important area when it comes to printing in Excel. Before changing anything, go to Print Preview and take a look. You will notice a problem immediately. On some pages, the title row is missing. And on other pages, important columns like customer name and account details are not visible. That is exactly what we are going to fix now. Go back to Print Titles and make sure you are on the Sheet tab. Here you will see an option called Rows to repeat at top. Click inside this box and select the row that contains your headers, the row you want to see on every printed page. Let me select row 1 from my data. Now every page will clearly show the headings. Just below that, you will find columns to repeat at left. This is extremely useful. Here, select the columns that you want to see on every page. For example, I want to see serial number, customer name, and account number. This way, even if your data spreads across multiple pages, you will always know which customer the data belongs to. So let me select the needed columns from my data. Now click Print Preview again, and you can see rows and columns are now consistent on every page. Now here is another very common printing problem. Right now, Excel is printing January to May for all customers, then starting a new list again from June to December. But that is not what we want. For example, if page 1 shows customers 1 to 46 from January to May, then page 2 should show the same customers from June to December. To do this, go again to Print Titles and under Page Order, select Over, then Down. Now let's check Print Preview again. Here you will notice that alternate pages now show the same customer list but with different months' data. Once one customer list finishes completely, only then Excel moves to the next set of customers. This is how you control data sequence in printing. And then one last issue. My November and December data is going onto a separate sheet, and I don't want that. I want this data to fit nicely within 2 pages only. For this, go to Page Setup and under the Page tab, slightly reduce the Adjust to percentage. Let's change it to 90% and then let's click on the Print Preview again. Here you can see that all my columns have fitted into my desired number of pages. The goal is not to fit maximum data. The goal is to keep the text readable even after printing. So be very careful while adjusting this value of percentage. Otherwise, you might end up shrinking your data too much in printing. Now, when you feel that everything looks clean and readable in Print Preview, then you need to simply click on Print command. This is how you properly set up an Excel sheet for professional printing. No missing headers, no confusion, and no wasted pages. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, save, and follow for more smart Excel tips.